today's installation video, we'll be showing you how to install an XLR on the Jeep. So first, we're going to remove the OEM throttle position sensor. To do so, I'm just going to use a small flathead screwdriver to loosen the connection. Pull back with my fingers. Remove the sensor plug. Then we'll take the RaceChip supplied harness. We'll take the male end of the RaceChip supplied harness, put it right back onto the OEM sensor itself. Then take the female end of the supplied harness, plug it into the OEM sensor, lock it in place. Next up is to route the harness out of the way. You want to make sure it's not going to get underneath your foot or in the way of the throttle itself. And then we're going to tuck the brain box away underneath the dash. Using the supplied double-sided tape, you can mount the control knob anywhere you'd like. What's really nice about the XLR is you can actually detune the throttle to make it less sensitive, perfect for those city driving as well as traffic, as well as increase the sensitivity of the gas pedal, perfect for those off-road situations or even when you jump onto the highway.